types of demons. Indlela amademoni ahlukene ngayo adeterminwa by the attack. Bese uyakwazi ukubona ukuthi ihlobo lwedemoni kulo muntu. Sources of demon, they are different. Isizathu sethi ba different ingoba operate in different ways mayengena kumuntu nangendlela futhi aphila ngayo kumuntu. Omunye umuntu uba possessed, omunye uba ne blockage, omunye uba ne visitation. When someone kuthiwa upossessed, unohlobo lwamademoni okuthiwa lolu hlobo lwamademoni luhlala kuye ngaphakathi. There are some other kinds of demons that cause a blockage. This type of demon, they don't dwell inside you, but they come to stop something. Ufuna ukuthenga imoto bavethani bovimba kuvuke isikweletu wasenza usese university uthatha ikhadi lase Truworths. Not just that upossessed, but ine demon elblockayo elizovimba nje just anything ekhulayo in your life. There are these kinds of demons as well ekuthiwa ama-visitation demon. These visitation demon bazela into eyodwa to disturb and go. Vethane kuthiwa nje uzolotsholwa namuhla uvethane yakhoze nje ukuthi kuveginqika imoto enenkomo bekwe iy'nkomo kuphela ingekho imali zife zingakafikini. They are different from the demons blockage, but they just come and they leave. Awahlali inside you. Kunezinto ezinikeza these demons ipower. Ubona amademoni eba more attracted in you. Oqala eyenza ukuthi umuntu abe easy to be attacked by demons is character. What I mean about character: attitude, pride, your heart, gossip, groups. These demons mangikhuluma nga-attitude, uthole ukuthi ukhulume nomuntu akunikeze attitude nje. Amademoni lawa associated with anger alula ukungena kuye because of i-character yakhe. Pride, uphakamise noma kungafanele. Kunamademoni associated with that avedana ahlale kuwe abe yi-legion. Uprove knowledge nalangabuzwanga lutho khona ukuthi ufunde kangakanani. Kunamademoni athatha i-advantage of your heart. Is part of your character. The advantage of your heart. They know with how good are you. Another thing that attracts demon, sin, like fornication. Kunamademoni asizakala ngendlela oziphatha ngayo nangendlela owenza ngayo. About lust and everything is sizakala kakhulu because of the act that you are doing. People, they might not see you, but you know yourself. And uzibeke esikhaleni to be attacked by demons. Sleeping around. Make sukuthi ungagcwali spiritually. Do not underestimate the sin of lies. Hey, umuntu wamanga nomuntu wendaba okhuluma njalo akasizeki. A gossiper. Alike demoni elinenkani njengalelo. The groups that were in disorder maniphuma la esontweni nibe yiqoqwanyana nikhuluma about names of people. They gossip about people that they manifesta. They could mean destroying other people. It's part of sin. Part of other things that makes us sing a fakazi ngonkulunkulu impilo sithi decide ukuyiphila.